working farm just west of the Ohio State University campus is being transformed into a learning laboratory of best management practices in water quality protection and whole farm sustainability.
Well, Franklin Soil and Water is happy to be a grant recipient of an Ohio EPA 319 grant, which essentially is going to do best management practices here at Waterman Farms on OSU campus.
In a lot of agricultural settings and oftentimes in urban settings as well, our channels have been straightened, deepened, and the shape has been changed from its natural form to facilitate drainage from the land. We have changed that form to mimic something more like what nature would want to have out there, with small floodplains attached, less steep slopes, and opportunity, if one develops, for a more sinuous meandering channel. There are two ways that we think it can improve water quality. One is that it makes the channel more stable and reduces erosion of unstable banks, so it reduces the sediment load that's coming through the channel. By also creating those small floodplains within the channel or ditch confines itself, water spills out of the banks onto those floodplains, where a lot of nutrients can be processed by vegetation. So we're doing two things really. We're allowing water to be processed by vegetation and filter naturally back into the channel, and we're also enabling more stability while still having conveyance capacity for the channel.
Project partners hope to broaden the public's understanding of rural land use impacts and the vital role streams play in increasing water quality by controlling inputs and capturing sediment and nutrients. Anticipated benefits to urban communities include reduced flooding, which leads to less stormwater treatment, and the costs associated with that treatment.
We're excited about the project with Ohio State and Franklin Soil and Water Conservation District here at Waterman Farms, because we believe that it provides us an opportunity all to really demonstrate to agriculture around the state the kinds of practices that are important to be implemented at the farmstead to help reduce the impacts of agricultural runoff and other forms of non-point source pollution.
Other Phase 1 projects include livestock exclusion fencing and stream crossings, 2 acres of trees, shrubs, and grass buffers, a rainwater harvesting system, and a conservation and manure management plan. Project partners hope to have Phase 1 completed by late 2010. For Comtech Digital Media, I'm John Rice.